We got some really great questions for you this week about henna powder and about using amla powder and amla oils on babies. Is that even possible? So welcome to another week of Ask Henna Sooq, right here with me, Khadija, leading henna hair color expert, Ayurvedic hair care specialist, and artist who does the gorgeous henna body art. So remember, you can ask any of your questions right in the comments below, but if you need an answer like right now, then you definitely want to go to our website, click on the live chat feature so you can get all of your questions answered right then and there with one of our experts. First question is, do henna powders with sodium picromate damage the hair? Well, first, that's an unnecessary ingredient. Is it proven to damage hair? That I don't have enough information on. Personally, it's just something that we completely avoid because we don't want and need any type of, additives to our henna powders. We want just a pure, raw, natural henna. What we do know about that particular additive is that it enhances the color of the henna powder itself. Again, unnecessary, because all we want is the benefits of pure natural henna powder. So I would just avoid it because it's just another additive that has no reason to be in your body and on your hair. Next question is, can babies use amla powder that's infused in oil? So I like to say no, because babies can't speak for themselves and they can't really tell us what they're allergic to. And this particular herb too is a nut. So you don't know clearly if that baby is going to be allergic to that or not. It's risky, Babies have really open skin, it's very thin, and it hasn't gone through what we have as adults yet, So I would avoid it. I would recommend any type of amla and herbs, henna, really wait till they're 5 years or older just to be safe. The last question is, I want to have my curls to be a little bit looser. What products can I use for that? And you can use henna powder, as a mask. You could use that. That'll help loosen the curls, and also Cassia bovata that we have here at Hennasooq. Both of those herbs can help loosen your curl pattern. So definitely check those out and use those. So thank you for tuning in for another Ask Henna Sooq with me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of the great videos and content that I have coming for you guys. All right, I'll see you next time.